Are you okay, Grinch?
Glad you guys got here. Got more presents than I can fit on my sled.
I see that. Oh, look at that.
With you. Through the mountain and back to Whoville.
Through the mountain? We can't get through the mountain.
You may ask presents.
Through the mountain. All right, folks. I guess.
Through the mountain
I guess the Grinch wants us to go through the mountain. I don't know how that's possible, but there's a tunnel up ahead, so maybe that's how it's possible. All right, we'll be going through, so hang on tight. Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times, especially here in Mount Crumpet. All right. Let's take a look.
Have you told them yet?
About what? I've been eased into it.
You ease into it a little quicker. We're burning daylight here.
Well, I can't just blurt things out.
You can. Directly above you are thousands of tons of smack snow. This sound will bring it crashing down upon you in a giant avalanche. Be quiet!
Okay. Let's be quiet now. As you said, there's thousands of ice. The avalanche, folks. Hey, all right, we're getting out of here now. I think. All right. All right, folks. It's safe to get out of here now. All right, we made it. Woo! Give yourselves a round of applause. We made it through the mountain, okay? And safe. And on behalf of all of us here at NBC Universal, we hope you've enjoyed.